a blizzard. Holy crap. You see all the snow. And gutter thing from my porch fell.
Yeah, I was watching TV. Then I was watching TV on the couch, laying down, trying to go to sleep. Then that fall, like, that scared me. Almost like give me a heart attack. Oh, I'm so cold.
Oh my god, look at all that blowing snow. Oh my god. So this is what it looks like. That's how much snow is on her chair. It's just bad that people are driving in this.
I'm gonna shove off the snow.
Not right now, sweetie.
Please.
I already had to shovel my balcony once, and now it's high again.